Alright, this is a presentation on fluoride, which is a trace mineral. So fluoride is the ionic form of the naturally occurring fluorine element. So the anion increases the structural stability of teeth and bones through interactions with calcium phosphates. So it's essentially a component of your bones and teeth. It preserves the stability of both of those. The recommended daily amount of adults, typically 19 and older, is 0.05 milligrams to the body weight. So for males, that's about 4.0 grams, and for females, that is 3.0 grams. Deficiency. So we are more likely to be deficient of fluoride rather than have it be fluorosis, which in the bottom right screen you'll see is the toxic element where you are getting too much of fluoride. So in the top right of the screen you'll see the deficiency that typically results in tooth decay, like cavities, basically the rotting of the teeth, and the toxicity in the bottom right you'll see a few different cases of very mild and severe, and again that's called fluorosis. That's too much fluoride, very rare. Some different places you can get it are tea, fruit juice, crab, and of course tap water. It cannot be boiled out. There's no kind of extra food prep. Even if you were to boil tap water, it would not get rid of the fluoride in it. If anything, it would just turn into a salt version, which also can be created and is very popular in Europe rather than tap water. Unfortunately, fluoride has gained a bad reputation. You have probably heard a few of the conspiracy theories. A lot of people think that there are adverse effects to it. Some of those effects are decreased IQ in children as they get older, links to Alzheimer's, heart disease, kidney disease, and birth defects such as Down syndrome. There has been lots of scientific evidence to prove that there are no actual consistent links between fluoride consumption and these defects. So there is no substantial proof of that, which leads to why we still have fluoride in our water today. Some fun facts: it is best used topically rather than ingested. So for instance, just like toothpaste with fluoride in it, it is naturally present in all water. We just here in America do add it. Fluoridation of community water has been credited with reducing tooth decay by about 50 to 60% in the United States since World War II. And that's fluoride. Thank you.